Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-USB EX350 wall plate kits, which include a host wall plate and a device wall plate, both allowing for USB 3.2 Gen 1 data extension. The Atlona USB EX350 wall plate kits extends data only for the host or device locations. It supports extension up to 5 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 data to 330 feet, 100 meters, using a single Category 6A UFTP cable. The USB EX350 wall plate kits are comprised of two types of endpoints. The host endpoint includes a USB-C port for connection to hosts such as laptops, computers, or other AV equipment that supports USB connectivity, including many Omega series products. It is a wall plate form factor in the EX350 WPH kit. In the WPD kit, the wall plate endpoint includes 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port for connection to 4 K cameras, conferencing bars, microphones, speakers, and other peripherals. An Ethernet connection on the box endpoint provides access to advanced configuration, monitoring, and control capabilities. The USB EX350 wall plate extenders satisfy the need for point-to-point extension of higher data rate USB 3.2 Gen 1 peripherals that are becoming available in the commercial AV space and allow for a wider range of solution opportunities. It expands the capabilities of Omega installations by allowing USB peripherals placed in remote locations within the room to interface with the primary switcher. In summary, the USB EX350 wall plates provide a straightforward solution for applications where extension of USB 3.2 Gen 1 signals up to 5 gigabits per second is required. The Ethernet port on the USB EX350 extenders supports advanced integration capabilities not found in any other USB 3.2 Gen 1 extension solutions on the market. This port may be used for configuration, monitoring, and control functions over the network, including VBus. For each device port may be configured to follow the host connection, always on or always off. Each device port provides up to 1.5 amps, allowing even energy-hungry components to be powered by the device endpoint. For system verification and troubleshooting, the EX350 supports monitoring of total power consumption, as well as connection status of each USB port. Firmware updates may be applied over the network. The EX350 supports IP to RS-232 translation. This means it can facilitate communication between an IP-based control system, such as Velocity, and a device with a physical serial port. Key features of the USB EX350 kit: point-to-point extension of USB data up to 330 feet, 100 meters, using a single Category 6A UFTP cable. Supports USB 3.2 Gen 1 devices at data rates up to 5 gigabits per second. The host endpoint has a USB-C interface for host connection. The device endpoint has 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C for peripheral connections with individual VBus mode configuration. Ethernet port for configuration, monitoring, and control. IP to RS-232 translation for bidirectional serial communications through the device endpoint. The USB EX350 wall plates are ideal for remote instruction applications where higher data rate USB peripherals, such as 4K cameras, are located at distances of up to 330 feet or 100 meters from a classroom computer or teacher laptop. It also provides access to similar devices in meeting room applications, where they are located significant distances away from video conferencing software running on the room computer or laptop. In this diagram, the USB EX350 WPD kit is being used to extend USB signals from a 4K camera to an Omega switcher and routed to either the connected laptop or room PC. This helps reduce clutter with its USB-C connection that supports AV, USB 2.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1, and power for charging on a single cable. With the USB EX350 WPH, you can extend your host device directly to your peripherals, even at the other end of the room.